Welcome back, my Italian users. Today what I'm going to show you is the verb avere, which means to have. Now, avere is very, very difficult, and I don't want to shy you away from the video just by saying that, but when I mean difficult, I mean just in conjugations, because when you look at regular ARE verbs, ERE verbs, and the IRE verbs, they're in no way conjugated as avere is. But it should be safe and okay to say that once you nail down avere, you can pretty much do anything with the verb. So as I mentioned before, avere means to have, and avere is used with feelings. Avere is used to describe to state your age. It's pretty much a very wide known verb. And another verb that I will compare in the following video is the verb essere, and that means to be or not to be. So avere in this case I will put up on the board, and you'll see once I write it and once you practice it, once you hear it, once you speak it, avere will be second nature to you. So starting off, avere, a, ve, avere. And as I mentioned before, avere means to have. Boom. Simple. Done. Now, the conjugations for it, and when I say conjugations means how can I say I have, or you have, or he, she, or you, polite, has, or we have, or you, plural, have, or they have, or you, all of you, polite, have. And I will show you that right now. So we have already established that avere means to have. What I'm going to do is put this in the corner right here. So we always have that there. You can't forget. Avere, to have. So in my subject pronouns video, you will see all the subject pronouns from io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro, loro. And what I'm going to do now is use those subject pronouns and conjugate this verb. Let's do it. So we have the first subject pronoun. First subject pronoun, io, which means I. Okay. So for the io subject pronoun, if you wanted to say I have, it would be io ho. Io ho. I have. Okay. And now this H here is silent. You don't actually pronounce that H in the language. Let's move on to our second subject pronoun with the conjugation of avere. You have tu equals you. So if you want to say you have, tu, hai, and that's you have. Now this you is singular, and you'll see that in the subject pronouns video that I created. Okay, tu, hai, and again this H is silent. Okay. Let's use a different color. So we have lui, lei. Okay, that's going to be he, she, you, polite. Okay, so it will be lui, a. Again, that H is silent. Lei, a. Again, H silent. And if you wanted to say You, polite, as if you don't know the person, lei ha. So what do we notice? They're all the same, but the subject pronoun is different, but the pronunciation is the same. So lui ha, lei ha. So he has, she has, you, formal, have. Boom. Okay. Now we jump into the plurals. Let's use red. Noi is we. So if you wanted to say we have, noi abbiamo. Noi abbiamo. We have the two B's here. Remember to pronounce that. We have. Okay. Noi abbiamo. Abbiamo, the two B's. Okay. Let's move on to another color. We'll do orange. Voi. And those two vowels together, voi, gotta pronounce them. And in the alphabet, I have a video with the alphabet on how to say the letters that will help you. So voi, you, plural, familiar, have. So the correct conjugation for avere in the voi subject pronoun would be voi avete. Avete. Voi avete. Voi avete. Okay? And last but not least, we have something really cool. Let me use green in this case. Loro. Loro equals they / you, plural, polite, have. And the correct conjugation for this, I'm going to write in black, is loro hanno. Remember that H is silent. And loro hanno. So either way, taking away with this, the H's are silent. Loro hanno, loro hanno. So with those conjugations, I hope that conjugating avere was actually easy and it was simple. So I hope that that's something that you can memorize. One thing that I'm going to show you that will really easily help you memorize is this. So we have io, o, tu, I. Just use your eyes and watch and you'll see what I'm going to do. Now, make sure that you have your boots on because it's winter season and you'll see exactly what I mean by this. What kind of boot? Let's give it a brown boot, like Timberlands. So watch this. Notice how those are the only ones that start with the A. Okay, these here are almost similar to the stem of avere. So there you have it right there. I hope that this will help you memorize avere a little bit more simple. I know that I stated that it was difficult in the beginning, but if you study this, you'll be able to conquer avere. Thanks so much for dropping by. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Take care.